A love triangle, Hilton Village officially opens, and a community honors a doctor's legacy. I'm Jillian Wagner, and welcome to This Week in Newport News History. June 29, 1920, City Auditor for Newport News Christian K. Messick was shot in his home at 913 26th Street by his boarder, W.G. Hubbard. Messick claimed to have found his wife and Hubbard in bed upon returning home. Messick ordered Hubbard to leave, and according to his wife, proceeded to chase her around the house with a knife. Messick left and returned later, possibly drunk, when Hubbard fired a gun at him. Messick was shot once in the neck, but survived his wound. Messick was taken to Riverside Hospital. Hubbard was taken to the city jail. The Messicks were later separated. Mr. Messick chose to not seek re-election for the office of City Auditor. Dedication of Hilton Village on July 7, 1918. Happy 102nd anniversary to Hilton Village. Newport News was a boom town of industry during World War I, owing to the shipyard and other vital wartime industries. This increase in labor led directly to overcrowding and a desperate need for new housing. Hilton Village was proposed as a planned community by Homer Ferguson, president of the shipyard, as the first federally funded housing project in America. The first 100 houses were built and paid for by the shipyard, while Ferguson worked to convince the federal government to help construct more. The residents had already started to occupy their new Hilton homes earlier in the year. July 7th was the official opening and is the date upon which subsequent anniversaries have been celebrated. July 10th, 1993, dedication of the C. Waldo Scott Center for Hope. African-American community leader Dr. C. Waldo Scott was born in Atlanta, Georgia on April 22, 1916. His medical practice in Newport News began in 1948, with privileges extending to Whitaker Memorial Hospital. Devoted to equality and the civil rights movement, Dr. Scott and fellow physician George Cypress filed a racial discrimination suit in 1963 for the right to practice medicine in Riverside Hospital. A suit that was ultimately successful when African American doctors were able to treat patients beginning in 1966. To honor his devotion to medicine and the southeast community of Newport News, the C. Waldo Scott Center for Hope, which stands for Helping Our People Emerge, was dedicated on July 10, 1993. The building formerly served as the girls' gymnasium for Huntington High School. Today, the Scott Center offers services to at-risk youth and their families, including everything from GED classes and after-school programs to health screenings. This has been your historical moment. Thank you for joining us.